have another crazy keywords video for you. This is video number 7, I believe, of the crazy keyword series. I have a complete playlist available to you. Today we're going to jump right in. We are looking for keywords in buyer searches on Poshmark. And so if you're not sure what I'm talking about, check out another video because I feel bad explaining it every single time for everybody that has watched multiple of these, but we are looking for buyer searches on Poshmark to match our keywords. Let's dive in. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. Okay, brown express sexy shirt. So sexy is a good keyword. I don't know if it's a crazy keyword, but it is one that you should want to put on your listings if it's sexy. Brown Gap floral skirt, brown H&M flower skirt. So flower, floral, those are good 2 words to put on something that has flowers. Flower, floral. Brown vintage wrap skirt, Candy's casual skirt. Casual is a good keyword. I don't think it's crazy, but it is a good reminder. Candy's floral skirt, Candy's vintage skirt, Kato beaded skirt, Chap's flower skirt, Chico's summer skirt. So that's interesting. Summer, spring, you could kind of add those seasonal words to your listings. Trip skirt, jean trip, skinny jean trip pants, trip skirt, trip shorts, trip corset, trip plaid skirt, trip skirt. So sometimes they all kind of come up with similar terminology. I don't know how Poshmark makes these appear. Old Navy maxi skirt, LuLaRoe Jill skirt, Lulu tennis skirt, Brandy Melville suede skirt, Charlotte Russe skirts. Elastic skirt pockets, interesting. Lululemon city skirt, Massimo pencil skirt, purple skater skirt, Lululemon black running skirts. These are all good keywords, all good indications of what people are searching for. Airy mini skirt, Akira summer skirt. There goes summer skirt again, interesting. Anthropologie embellished skirt, Anthropologie mini skirt, BCBG evening skirt. So like a formal evening skirt. This is something. Dressy skirt, I've seen that. BCBG pink silk skirt, BCBG generation polka dot skirt, BCBG Max Azria high-low skirt, BCX striped skirt, BCX date skirt. Black exhilaration leather skirt, black exhilaration work skirt, good. Black Worthington color block skirt, Zara work skirt, again, these all say black. Zara peplum skirt, plaid skirt, loft leather skirt, Macy's mini skirt, mango beaded skirt, Merona denim skirt. So I've seen beaded a couple of times. It's just interesting to see what kind of trends come up and present themselves. Crop top and skirt set, so an interesting way to phrase it and to sell it as a set. Ballerina skirt, I like that. Red flare skirt, so flare skirt, that's a good one. Like fit and flare, yeah. Skirts at Macy's, okay. Marnie skirt, A-line skirt outfit, sequin skirts, hot short skirt, black skater skirt, size 18. Sexy leather pencil skirt. I mean, the ballerina one is cool. The flare is cool. I don't know if any of those are like amazing. Casual pencil skirt outfit, panel skirt. So that's good. Gray pencil skirt outfits, floral print skirts, ups. This is not that kind of channel. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs, everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. maxi skirt fashion, Santa skirts, green leather mini skirt, denim skirts for juniors, lace, knee-length skirt. Plus size maxi skirts, LuLaRoe maxi skirt price, midi skirt pattern, theory skirt, royal blue skater skirt, pink sequins skirt, light gray pencil skirt, long black and white skirt, white tutu skirt for adults, two-piece crop top and skirt set. I think that's funny. Tutu skirt for adults. And not women's tutu skirt. Tutu skirt for adults inclusive. I think that's funny. Brown Hollister men mini skirt. Bullhead denim skirt. Deb denim skirt. DKNY fringe skirt. Dots lace skirt. DKNY mini skirt. Gray H&M summer skirt, gray Hollister summer skirt, gray Exhilaration lace skirt, gray Zara lace skirt. So summer skirt is coming up so many times. I feel like I need to go write summer on all of my skirts. Like this is interesting to me. Brand Gap casual skirt, which I do think casual is a good one for a skirt. Gray Gap denim skirt, gray Express evening skirt. So that one came up again. Gucci wrap skirt, H&M lace pencil skirt, Lush sequin skirt, Maurice's embellished skirt, ModCloth floral skirt, Montauk lace skirt. So I think hands down the winner of today's video is going to be summer skirt, because it's definitely something that, like, in my head I know is good. I probably have seasons listed in my keywords list that I sell and I probably forget about them and don't put them. So because so many people are searching for it, that really makes me feel like I want to go back through my listings right now and add summer to skirts that would be good summer skirts. Now, do I know off the top of my head what that is? No. I think it's going to be a like, you know it when you see it kind of thing. But this is why I love these videos, because you could identify a keyword. One, sometimes they're crazy, and that's where this all came from, because I just identified, like, mind blown that somebody's saying this. Like, yeah, the one a few ago had a really crazy keyword, and I was like, oh my God, I didn't know about this. So it really is helpful to identify a keyword that we see here that buyers are searching for, but sometimes it's not just one mind-blowing keyword. Sometimes it's a keyword that you see that's not mind-blowing, but you see it come up again and again. It's kind of like a little squeaker there that you're just like, okay, I guess I should start including this because I could be missing out on sales by not having it. So I think hands down, where was it even? Was it even this one? Oh, here, Chico's summer skirt. Like, yes, let's go ahead and put summer skirt on our listings and sell some skirts, people. Thanks so much for watching this video. Check out the playlist of all the crazy keywords videos so that you can catch them all. And then also go ahead and check out the reseller resource guide down below that has all of the great stuff and information for you. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.